So this is my first channel that is monetized on YouTube. I monetized this channel 6 months on YouTube. And on the other hand, this is my second channel that is monetized on YouTube, and I monetized this channel 3 months on YouTube. You can see that the first one is 6 months, this one is 3 months. And on the third hand, this is my third channel that I'm working towards to get monetized on YouTube. In today's video, I am going to be telling you why you should monetize on YouTube before the end of 2024. Because 2025 is going to be hot, and at the end of the day, you might not like the new updates that YouTube will bring when it comes to 2025. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Sonia, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning in, do what? Subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments. And lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. If at this stage of you creating content, your goal is not to get monetized on YouTube before 2024, let me just quickly give you a backstory. People that started YouTube channel 2014, 2015, 2016 can gladly tell you that their first video here monetized them on YouTube. If I'm wrong, correct me. But there was a time that the first video you're going to be uploading on YouTube can just be monetized. So you can literally start making money from the first video you are dropping here. Then from then, it got to when you have 10,000 views, you are going to be monetizing. And a lot of people, to get that 10,000 views was not all that difficult, because at that time, YouTube had more viewers than more content creators. So if you're a content creator, then it looked like what you are doing, you are not even serious. You don't even know what you're doing. So a lot of people will go and watch you. So in getting your 10,000 views, we just be like probably in 1 week, sometime 1 month, yes, you've gotten your 10,000 views, and then you are monetized on YouTube. Because imagine if I just want to get 10,000 views now on YouTube, if I just put out just 6 videos, I will get it. In fact, before I put out 6 videos, I will even get the 10,000 views. You understand what I'm trying to say? Then YouTube now changed the rules and regulation to, before you can get monetized, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. And this is now the junction where a lot of content creators are now coming into display, because a lot of people have found out that there's money in creating content. So everybody wants to now make money from creating content. And having this cluster of a lot of people coming in, it becomes more difficult for you to get monetized on YouTube. So if you don't know, 99% of people that are watching you on YouTube are also content creators. So you can see that for me to be able to bring out myself here to watch you, or for you to be able to bring out yourself to me to watch me, is because I must have done something exceptional, and you must have also done something exceptional. So as the days are going, the rules are becoming more tedious. And if you guys can recall, YouTube just put out an update saying that if you have 3-minute views, if you have 3-minute video from on the 15th of October, the video is going to be tagged as short videos instead of long videos. The only thing that we don't know yet, that I keep saying, is we don't know if YouTube is going to like put out a separate revenue for that 3-minute video. But for me, I doubt, because I just feel like that 3-minute video is just going to be working with the short earning feed. And you guys know that when it comes to short, I did a video on how much shorts pay me. Short is just 10p, okay? Short is just something like, it's just compensating you and be like, make your short videos no waste, let your reels let it not just be there, let's just put something out there. You understand what I'm trying to say? So what am I trying to say in essence? As days goes by, or as time is going, YouTube is upgrading in different things that they are doing. They are upgrading in their activities on YouTube, they are upgrading in their rules and regulation, they are upgrading in their monetization policies and everything. So if we get to 25, it might be a lot more tedious for you, okay? Talk more of we getting to 26. I don't know if you guys know what I'm trying to say. So it might be a lot more heavier than what we are thinking. So that is why I always encourage people, and that is why I'm actually doing this video, to say, if you are not doing all of these things that can actually monetize your YouTube channel before 25, or at the beginning of 25, if the rules change, what will now be your fate? I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. Because as it stands now, even if YouTube said, oh, if you must get monetized on YouTube, you need to have 12,000 watch hour. My channel already have the 12,000 watch hour, okay? So no matter the upgrade that they are going to go to, my channel, the only thing that can actually affect me when it comes to their rules now is probably if YouTube will say, oh, before you get monetized, you're going to be having like 100,000 subscribers, and of which I know that's is kind of 99% not possible. You get what I'm trying to say? So if you have not been taking your content serious, if you've not been taking your channel serious, if you are just still there playing around YouTube, going to people's live streams, staying there laughing, gisting, chatting, or you just come to YouTube and just do whatsoever you feel like, oh, you want to do, you are really wasting your time. Because if at the end of the day, these new rules and regulation on YouTube take hold, you are going to be like, I can't even meet up with the 4,000 watch hour. Where am I even now getting the 10,000 watch hour from all the 6 hours to like get monetized on YouTube? Don't get me wrong, for disclaimer, so that a lot of people will not come and say, are you sure that Sonia have not gotten any information that YouTube is going to add up the YouTube watch hour? I have not gotten any information that YouTube is going to be adding an extra watch hour or extra subscribers for you to get monetized on YouTube. But I am just giving you a word that will keep you on track on your YouTube channel, so that if, for example, these things happen, you can also know that you are on the safe path. If you're watching me as an audience, you need to do everything possible to get your channel monetized. And one of those things that can help you is to be more consistent. If you check in this, my last 3 videos that I've been filming, because this one will make it like the 3rd video that I've been filming, I have been talking about consistency, because I just know that you cannot do without consistency on this YouTube street. And the second thing is bringing value. If you're bringing value, before you know, you will get monetized. And the third thing, when I talked about how to get your 4,000 watch hour, I talked about live stream. Start going live stream. I will still encourage you in this particular video to start going live stream. Either you want to do a silent live stream, or you want to put out your face here, whichever one that you want to do to be able to monetize your YouTube channel. The first important thing is monetize first. Be on the safe path first. Start earning first, so that if you're doing other things, you know that, okay, at least I am monetized, and everything that I'm going to bring into YouTube, I'm going to be getting something out of it. And see, when it comes to YouTube, when you are monetized, that is when the main job starts. There is a lot of work when you are monetized than even when you are not monetized. When you are not monetized, you can decide to say, oh, make I just go my way. But if you are monetized, if you're not bringing that content to the table, if you're not filming that video, if you're not putting out content, you're not going to be making money. You think those of us that are filming content every day, we are so much comfortable with it. We are not so much comfortable with it as sometimes. We just need to struggle our time to be able to like meet up to the audience demand, so that we can also make money. That's why I say a lot of YouTubers going into different niches that they are not even optioning for, just because they want to get that money to their accounts. So try your possible best to get monetized if you really want to take YouTube serious. But if you're the kind of people that will be like, oh, I don't want to take YouTube serious, I just want to be here for fun, I just want to be here and watch Vibe with Sonia, support Vibe with Sonia, and that's all, no wahala, you can watch Vibe with Sonia. Okay, and I've said it from the beginning that a lot of people here that is watching you, they are also content creator. As a new content creator, if you want to really get monetized, learn to support your fellow content creator. It is very important. You learn to support people. You learn. They say we rise by lifting others. When you support, people are definitely going to support you. When you come out for people, are definitely going to come out for you. At least if you're seeing 1, 2, 3 comments on your channel, it is not going to be a bad idea. If you also go to their channel to be like, oh, you're also a YouTuber, thank you so much. And before you know, you engage there. From this YouTube street, I've been able to make some good friends and sisters directly from YouTube. And these sisters and brothers I've been able to make are like, they are my G. You understand what I'm trying to say? So learn to what? Interact with your comments, so that they will come back and watch more of your videos. They will come back whenever you upload, they will watch. They will come back whenever you upload, they will drop comment. They will come back whenever you upload, they will help you drag engagement to your YouTube channel. So in everything you are going to be doing, the bottom part of this video is try to get monetized before the end of 24, because we don't know what is coming up in 2025. Might be bigger when it comes to YouTube. 25 may be that time where YouTube will be like, oh, 10,000 subscribers and 15,000 watch hour. I'm just saying, like I said, I am just saying, I'm just giving an instance. But prepare yourself in every journey, because you need to expect anything that is to come or is coming on YouTube. And I hope this video is able to help someone. And if you're still there, you're still struggling with your channel, you're looking for someone that can help you, check the flyers that is displaying on the screen. These are my flyers. I coach for 1 day, 1 week, 2 weeks, and even 30 days, where I'll be able to go into your channel directly to check what is happening in your channel and how we can join hands together and build your channel. For a lot of my students that have been coming, they have been giving me a lot of testimony, and I am so happy for that. And that can be you. Remember, I always tell you that anything that you spend on your YouTube, it is not a waste. It can never be a waste, because at the end of the day, you are going to be getting it. So start thinking of getting your channel monetized today and thank me tomorrow. And you can check out the mail that is displaying on the screen at faithonoja3195@gmail.com. Send us a mail and tell us, we want to enroll in the class. Let's get the class started. And trust me, you're definitely not going to regret it, because I get a lot of students whereby they'll be like, oh, Sonia, I thought I know everything on YouTube until I met you, until I saw your class. So anyways, if you've not subscribed and this is the first time you're seeing me, subscribe. If you have any video you want me to film for you, you want me to talk about, also let me know in the comment section, because my job here is the more you are asking, the more I am going towards deliver. Thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. And yes, with no further ado, I do like always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys.